The US auto market is a paradox, a puzzling situation that defies conventional wisdom. Dealerships have empty lots, but sales figures are up. How can this be? It's a scenario that leaves many scratching their heads. It's a classic case of supply and demand, but with a twist. The usual rules don't seem to apply here. The pandemic threw a wrench into the global supply chain, creating a massive shortage of new cars. Factories shut down, shipping routes were disrupted, and the flow of essential components came to a halt. Yet, at the same time, consumer demand for vehicles is soaring. People are eager to buy cars, whether for personal use or as a safer mode of transportation during uncertain times. This unusual situation has led to a seller's market. Dealerships are selling cars almost as soon as they arrive and sometimes even before they hit the lot. Prices are climbing, and buyers often find themselves on waiting lists for months. The scarcity of new cars has driven up prices, making it a challenging time for those in need of a vehicle. It's a frustrating time for consumers, but it's also forcing automakers to rethink their strategies. They are being pushed to innovate and adapt to the new normal. They are prioritizing production of their most profitable models and exploring new ways to streamline manufacturing. Efficiency and profitability have become the new focus. In this article, we'll delve into the factors driving this unprecedented situation in the US auto market. We'll break down the complexities and provide a clearer picture of what's happening. We'll explore the reasons behind the car shortage and the factors fueling sales despite it. The interplay between supply constraints and high demand is at the heart of this paradox. We'll also examine the impact on car prices, how buyers are adapting, and how automakers are responding to the challenges. The strategies being employed are as varied as the challenges themselves. This situation is a fascinating case study of how unexpected events can disrupt well-established industries. The ripple effects of the pandemic have been far-reaching and profound. It highlights the interconnectedness of the global economy and the challenges of navigating uncertainty. The auto market is a microcosm of larger economic trends and disruptions. As we'll see, the current state of the US auto market is not just about cars, it's about economics, technology, and consumer behavior. It's a multifaceted issue that touches on many aspects of modern life. The most significant factor behind the car shortage is a global semiconductor chip shortage. These tiny chips are the brains behind many of the modern conveniences we take for granted in our vehicles. Modern cars rely heavily on these tiny chips for everything from engine management to infotainment systems. Without them, the advanced features we expect in our vehicles simply can't function. When the pandemic hit, factories around the world shut down, disrupting chip production. This sudden halt in manufacturing created a ripple effect that is still being felt today. At the same time, demand for electronics like laptops and gaming consoles surged as people stayed home. With more people working and learning remotely, the need for these devices skyrocketed. This increased demand for chips further strained the supply chain. Factories that were already struggling to keep up with production found themselves overwhelmed by the sudden surge in orders. Automakers, who had initially canceled chip orders anticipating a drop in car sales, found themselves at the back of the line when demand for vehicles rebounded quicker than expected. This miscalculation has had long-lasting consequences. While the chip shortage is the most significant factor, it's not the only one. The auto industry is facing a perfect storm of challenges that have all contributed to the current situation. Other supply chain disruptions, such as shortages of raw materials like steel and rubber, have also contributed to the car shortage. These materials are essential for manufacturing various car components. These shortages have created a bottleneck in the auto industry, slowing down production and delaying deliveries. Factories are unable to complete vehicles without all the necessary parts. This perfect storm of factors has led to a significant backlog in new car production. The industry is struggling to catch up with the demand, and the delays are only getting longer. Automakers are struggling to get their hands on the necessary components, and the situation is unlikely to improve significantly in the short term. The complexity of the supply chain means that even small disruptions can have major impacts. This shortage has had a ripple effect throughout the auto industry, impacting everything from car prices to buyer behavior. Consumers are facing higher prices and longer wait times for new vehicles, leading some to consider used cars or alternative transportation options. The car shortage has also affected car rental companies, public transportation, and even the bicycle market. As people look for alternatives, these sectors are experiencing their own unique challenges and opportunities. In response, automakers and tech companies are investing in research and development to find innovative solutions. From new chip designs to alternative materials, the industry is working hard to adapt and overcome these challenges. While the road ahead is uncertain, there is hope that these efforts will eventually lead to a more resilient and efficient auto industry. Until then, patience and adaptability will be key for both manufacturers and consumers. Despite the shortage of new cars, sales figures are on the rise. This might seem surprising at first glance, but a deeper look reveals a complex interplay of factors driving this trend. This seemingly contradictory trend can be attributed to several factors. Firstly, there is a significant amount of pent-up demand from consumers who delayed car purchases during the early stages of the pandemic. Many people put off buying new vehicles due to economic uncertainty and lockdown restrictions. As the economy began to recover and people returned to work and leisure activities, the need for personal transportation became more pressing. The resurgence of daily commutes and weekend getaways has reignited the necessity for reliable personal vehicles. Additionally, many consumers found themselves with more disposable income due to government stimulus checks and reduced spending on travel and entertainment during lockdowns. With fewer opportunities to spend money on vacations, dining out, and other leisure activities, people had more savings to allocate towards big-ticket items like cars. Furthermore, the pandemic led to a shift in priorities for many people. The importance of having a personal vehicle became more pronounced as people sought to avoid crowded spaces. With health concerns at the forefront, public transportation became less appealing, and owning a personal vehicle offered a greater sense of safety and control. The ability to travel independently without the risk of exposure to the virus in crowded buses or trains became a significant factor in the decision to purchase a car. This shift in mindset, coupled with pent-up demand and increased savings, has created a surge in car buying despite the limited inventory. Dealerships have seen a steady stream of customers eager to make a purchase, even if it means waiting for their desired model to become available. The increase in sales is not just limited to new cars. The used car market has also experienced a surge in demand, further highlighting the overall desire for personal vehicles. With new car inventories low, many buyers are turning to pre-owned vehicles as a viable alternative. The used car market has also experienced a surge in demand, further highlighting the overall desire for personal vehicles. Certified pre-owned cars in particular have become highly sought after, offering a balance of affordability and reliability. This combination of factors has created a seller's market, giving automakers and dealerships the upper hand in pricing and negotiations. With high demand and limited supply, prices have been driven up, and buyers are often willing to pay a premium to secure their desired vehicle. This dynamic has significantly benefited the automotive industry, leading to robust sales figures despite the challenges posed by the pandemic. The limited supply and high demand for new cars have led to a significant increase in prices. With fewer cars available, dealerships are under no pressure to offer discounts or incentives to attract buyers. In fact, many dealerships are adding markups to the manufacturer's suggested retail price, sometimes exceeding 10% or more. This situation has made it challenging for consumers to find affordable vehicles. Those in the market for a new car are often faced with the difficult choice of paying a premium for a vehicle in stock, or joining a waiting list that could stretch for months. The used car market offers little respite, with prices for pre-owned vehicles also experiencing a sharp rise due to increased demand. This inflationary pressure on car prices is putting a strain on consumers' wallets and making it increasingly difficult for some to afford a new vehicle. The situation also highlights the importance of researching and comparing prices from multiple dealerships before making a purchase. In this seller's market, it's crucial for consumers to be informed and prepared to negotiate to get the best possible deal.